Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Creating a water garden in your landscape can add a tranquil and visually appealing element to your outdoor space. Here are some water garden landscaping ideas to help you to get started. Pond garden. Install a pond with liner or a pre-formed pond shell. Add aquatic plants such as water lilies, lotus, and water hyacinths. Incorporate fish like koi or goldfish for added interest. Surround the pond with rocks and builders for a natural look. Include a small bridge, stepping stones, or a path for easy access and aesthetic appeal. Waterfall features. Create a waterfall by positioning rocks and stones to allow water to cascade down. Use a recirculating pump to keep the water flowing. Incorporate lush plants around the waterfall to soften the edges. Fountain garden. Install a decorative fountain as a centerpiece of your water garden. Surround it with ornamental plants such as ferns or colorful flowers. Choose a fountain style that complements the overall theme of your garden, whether it's classical, modern, or whimsical. Natural stream or creek. If your landscape allows, create a meandering stream or creek with rocks or pebbles. Plant water-loving vegetation alongside the watercourse. Integrate a bridge or stepping stones for crossing. Reflecting pool. Design a calm and serene reflecting pool with a smooth surface that mirrors the surrounding landscape. Incorporate water plants along the edges like rushes or irises. Use the reflecting pool to showcase nearby trees and architectural features. Japanese koi pond. Design a traditional Japanese koi pond with a specific shape like a rectangular or circular design. Add koi fish and create a Zen inspired atmosphere with carefully placed rocks, bonsai, and lantern. Include a bamboo spout or stone basin as a water feature. Container water garden. If you have limited space, consider creating a container water garden using large pots or whiskey barrels. Plant dwarf water lilies, water lettuce, or other aquatic plants. Add a small fountain or bubbler for movement and aeration. Wildlife pond. Construct a pond with a shallow end for birds, frogs, and other wildlife to access. Use native aquatic plants to provide habitat for local fauna. Install a bird bath or feeder nearby to attract even more wildlife to your garden. Night lighting. Install underwater landscape lighting to illuminate your water garden at night, creating a magical atmosphere. Consider solar power lights for an eco-friendly option. Water garden seating. Incorporate a bench, swing, or sitting area near your water garden so you can relax and enjoy the peaceful ambience. Remember to consider the climate and maintenance requirements when planning your garden, whether you are going for a natural, formal, or contemporary look. A well-designed water garden can enhance the beauty and serenity of your outdoor space.